What do we got going on here?
Oh, just trying to get her running. I gotta get all of this.
Do you think she's gonna run?
Yeah. Yes.
Definitely.
Definitely. There's some weird quirks with it.
So we got no fuel.
There was no oil in it either. There was zero oil in the whole car in it.
So you fix the filter, you put oil in it.
I plugged the alternator and everything back
Plug
in.
the alternator in so it wasn't plugged in.
Yeah. And now,
And then we're gonna have a moment of truth.
you think so? If I hook up the battery and shit. I don't know. Going all the way.
I'm not gonna stand in front of it.
Oh, I gotta go get the key. There was nothing. Oh, I didn't hear the fuel pump. I can hear it cycling as I turn the key forward a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, it just went on. I just heard something.
Literally. No, I wish it did, dude. It didn't.
So you found some bad fuses though?
I found a wicked bad one. It's on the. Is it on the roof still right there? Is it right up there? That's it, or up there? I just had it. Maybe I threw it down.
That's
Yeah,
not
there
the
it is.
problem.
Yeah, that one's suspect, isn't it?
Didn't solve it though.
Didn't. No. We're still working on it. We're trying, yeah.
Of the strange fuel pump issue. All right, the people on YouTube want to know what you found, Gord.
The ignition switch is disintegrated.
So we got the new one.
New one, old one.
It's keeping the fuel. The old one's keeping the fuel pump from turning
There's
on.
the old one dangling. Let's see if I can get this sucker out of here. I really wish I could get this top piece out of the way. I just want it to run for a few minutes. Like it's idling almost. There's pretty fuel in it too, but there we go. It's not working now.
Idling.
Yeah, running under their own power. Yeah, buddy. That pump's pretty up.
No,
Oh, the belt's just gliding over it.
it's probably just flattening the belt out.
Alright. Oh, she's got some increase in her.
Idling pretty good considering the gas is probably
Old fuel? No kidding. It's gotta be at least.
Well, it runs. But the next question, will it do a burnout?